Welcome everyone. I am Swati from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, second year, third sem. Now I am here to explain about some concepts in Java. The topic I selected is Java's selection statement. Now let us start the session. The topics to be covered in this session are introduction for control statements, if statement, if else statement, nested if else statement, switch statement, for loop, while loop, do while loop, break statement, continue statement. Now let us begin the session. The introduction to control statements. Control statements are used to control the flow of the execution in a program. They allow the program to make decisions and perform actions based on certain conditions. Control statements are essential for implementing logic and making programs more interactive. The first statement is if statement. The if statement allows the program to execute a block of code only if a certain condition is true. In this example, the code inside the if block will execute if the value of x is greater than 5. It executes only if the condition inside a block is true. The next statement is if else statement. The if-else statement allows the program to execute different blocks of code based on a condition. In this example, if x is greater than 5, the first block of code will be executed. Otherwise, the second block will execute. The next statement is nested if-else statement. Nested if-else statements allows the program to have multiple levels of conditions and decisions. In this example, the program checks two conditions before executing the appropriate block of code. The next statement is switch statement. The switch statement allows the program to perform different actions based on the value of a variable. In this example, the program prints a different message based on the value of the variable day of week. The next is for loop. The for loop is used to iterate over a block of code a specific number of times. In this example, the code inside the for loop will execute 5 times, incrementing the value of I with each iteration. It will execute the program until the condition to be satisfied. The next loop is while loop. The while loop is used to repeatedly execute a block of code as long as a certain condition is true. If the certain condition will be wrong, then the while loop will bypass through the block of a code. In this example, the code inside the while loop will execute until the value of x becomes greater than or equal to 10. The next loop is do while loop. The do while loop is similar to that of the while loop, but it guarantees that the code inside the loop will execute at least once. In this example, the code inside the do block will execute once and continue as long as the condition is true. The next statement is break statement. The break statement is used to exit a loop or switch statement prematurely. In this example, the loop will terminate when I reaches the value of 5. Till that, it will execute the program. The last control statement is continue statement. The continue statement is used to skip the current iteration of a loop and move to the next iteration. Example, when I is equal to 5, the current iteration will be skipped and the loop will continue with the next iteration. These are the selective statements in Java. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you.